Alright, so today I'm in my Halloween costume, you feel me? 80s rapper. You know what I'm saying? But hold on. In my costume, you feel me? 80s rapper, you feel me? Still doing my thug thizzle. Yeah. Put my beatbox down. But today, I'm going to be upgrading my Glock 19 Gen 5, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna like the upgrades, but I'm just about to upgrade it real fast. Just to, you feel me, upgrade it. This is what I got. I got a trigger, little slide catches, a back plate, magazine, extended release. I got red pins. I got gold pins just in case the red ones don't match up right. And I got a gold barrel. You know what I'm saying? Now, I don't think these reds matched my reds, and I got a +5 magazine base plate. So like a +5 on the magazine. But I'm afraid my reds are different all around, but I'm still just about to throw it together. You feel me? And it is what it's gonna be. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get to it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do these upgrades with these rings on. There we go. Okay, now let me put these gloves on. Take these rings off real quick. I just removed the barrel, you know what I'm saying? Put that to the side. Do I even know how to change? Okay. So this, they say. Uh-oh. Give me like 5 seconds. Alright, I'm back. I gotta find that spring. I wasn't aware of that, but I found it, so it's cool. I don't remember nobody saying nothing about no spring popping about that bit. I'm throwing this one in there first, you feel me? See how it looks. Woo-hoo! Yes sirree, yes sirree. Hope that bitch the right way. No. Alright, to remove the trigger shoe off the trigger bar, there's gonna be a pin on this side. There's gonna be a pin on this side that's not gonna show on this side. So you have to take a hammer and like a hole punch, put on some wood or whatever you feel comfortable putting on that you don't care about getting damaged, and take it out like that. So now I have that removed, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the new trigger on there, which probably have to take. This is the new trigger. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we got that in there. It's looking alright. You feel me? Hopefully. I'm not gonna carry this by itself until I test it out. So we'll move on to the slide catch next. I gotta install this piece back. Have to take this out to get the slide catch out once it focuses. I'm gonna put this back in before the slide catch because you have to take this out before you get the slide catch out. So let's put this back in. Well, I did that wrong. I have to put this in first. Then put that back in after the slide catch. Then this go back in. See that red off. I'm gonna have to wait till Glock store to get that back installed. I'm still gonna upgrade it for the video, but I will be changing that. Okay, put this up there. This up there. I'm changing everything. I'm gonna just change this too, even though the extended mag release I got definitely off. I'm still gonna change that. So let me get in here with this real quick. Change that. And if you guys don't know how to change that, it's a spring in there. It's a spring in there that catches around this hole right here. So all you gotta do is pop that out with like one of these little screwdrivers or something. Just pop that around it, and then it should come out. So let me get this aftermarket in. See this totally off color, but it looked better than the standard red, I believe. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna have to come back. All right, I'm back. I got it. I actually found the easier way, but I scratched up my thing a little much. So this is how it looks so far. You feel me? Now I'm gonna put a gold pin back through the trigger bar. The more old pieces right here is out the trigger, just in case. Whoa, don't go nowhere, buddy. I use both of the gold pins, but I don't think they gave me no pin long enough till. Oh, I got the Allen wrench for the trigger right there. I don't think they gave me no pin long enough to put my to put this back on. So I'll see. I'm gonna have to order a new pin set, but I got the gold pins in here, so that's how it looks so far. Now, take the barrel out. Last part. I don't think I got no before picture, but it is what it is. This is my upgraded Glock. Feel me? I gotta get these colors matching some more. But as of right now, that's fine. I just gotta add 2 more things on here. I got this Strike Industries backplate I'm gonna add. And then I just gotta add my +5. What we doing here? Strike Industries, you gotta fix this problem. Do not make no way we can take it off but can't put it back on without a tool. That makes no sense. It's unique and stuff like that though, but that makes no sense. So I just added my Strike Industries. It ain't focused in. Oh, there we go. Added the Strike Industries backplate. Now, +5. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Booyah! Upgraded Glock 19 Gen 5. I'm gonna get my slide mill and I'm gonna get my slide mill and get a red dot optic on it. But there you have it. Alright, so here it go. I had end up every time I make a video upgrading the gun, after the video I always change parts. So I ordered another pen if I can put the beaver tail back on there or whatever they want to call it, and I changed the red to a gold, so I sent the red back. Then I got a new metallic one of these. So this how it look. Then I'm going to get my slide mill.